Hi, students, and welcome to week 3 in your online general psychology course. Already week 3, the end of January, taking us into the beginning of February. So last week we started chapter 1, and you had your first assignments in Connect and reading of your e-textbook using the McGraw-Hill Connect account. So hopefully all of that is up and working for you guys now. From here on out, you'll see the consistency in those Connect assignments and how to access them. Just a couple of reminders here. Remember to use the modules over here. So when you click modules over here and then scroll down to the current week, everything you need for the week is right there. So it's just a good, easy way to navigate to make sure you're seeing all the items for the week and all the assignments and know exactly what you have coming. I also do want to apologize. It seems like they are working on installing something and there is a drill going on. I hope it's not picking up on the video. They are drilling on the wall behind me, so my apologies if you hear that. So this week we are entering chapter 2, which is on the scientific method. It's on research. It's on explaining why psychology is, in fact, in the field of science. And so we'll take 2 weeks in this chapter because there is a lot of information. And also, I'm wanting to make sure that you feel comfortable because we will be using this understanding of how research is applied in psychology for the rest of the semester. So for this week, week 3, there's not a quiz over chapter 2, and that's because we'll be in chapter 2 next week also, and your quiz will be next week, okay, for chapter 2. So this week, what you have, let's take a look at the module here. You have your access to your PowerPoint slides. Don't forget to read chapter 2 as well. A narrated PowerPoint if you want to check that out. And then you will have these 3 assignments in Connect. So one on designing an experiment, one that's interactive on research ethics, and then a concept clip over the scientific method. There is not a writing assignment this week. I know that, we've had some discussion questions and the historical perspectives last week. This week, there's no writing assignment, just these 3 assignments you can see with a February 5th due date right there in Connect. So access them right here through the module in Canvas. That will launch you out, come back in to make sure that you are only doing those Connect assignments for this week, only those 3. I know when you go out into Connect, it's often easy to get confused because there's hundreds of assignments that live out there. And again, just another reason I want to emphasize why it's important to navigate my course through the modules link in Canvas. Scroll down to week 3, only these 3 assignments for this week. So have an awesome week. Enjoy learning about psychology's scientific method and how research is done. And next week, I will add on to your understanding and we'll take a look at what assignments you have for the next week. Remember, no quiz this week, those 3 assignments. Take care, everybody, and have an awesome week.